In my hand, I have one ticket. This contest is for the solo or the individual artist. You guys auditioned as a group. You blew the judges away. Even the production team was very happy and pleased with your audition. But we can only take one, if not both of you, auditioning solo. So gentlemen, this is your moment to sing for your life, one by one. So judges, I will leave them over to you. You guys maybe do paper, rock, scissors. You want to wrestle? Who's going to go first? Flip a coin. Who's going to go first?
I think just to be simple, I'll give it to my friend.
To go first?
To continue to be an instrument.
Oh, snap. Why? This is great, this is honorable, this is amazing, but why? We have to ask why.
I'm not ready for it, sorry.
You're not ready for a solo?
Yeah.
And you believe Tabiso, right?
Yes.
You believe Tabiso is the man for this competition?
Yes.
Wow, what a noble act. Tabiso, please accept your ticket, which has been handed over to you by your friend who strongly believes in you, so don't let him down. That is such a noble thing to do. You're a great man for doing this. Tabiso, congratulations. You move on to the theater week. Yes, sir. Wow. Yo, okay. The spotlight. This man, Tolani, has just put Tabiso on to go on to the theater week.